What was that? Hi, I'm Estrella and welcome back to my little journal. I've been just thrifting a lot, buying secondhand pieces, especially on Facebook Marketplace, when I came across this little guy right here. It's a Sony cybershot DSC W570, and if you watched my last video, the Claro concert vlog, you would have seen some clips that were filmed using this camera. But I wanted to dedicate a single video to sort of show some of my test shots. Everything just looks more of a vibe, even when I'm filming very like mundane or simple things. This is my point of view from the camera. I think it looks great. Without further ado, here are some clips I filmed that made me feel like I was going back in time. Enjoy!
Favorites coming right up.
Zooming in. Nice. I want to watch too.
Very touristy vibes. I'll stop talking. Very touristy vibes. Oh, my bad. What's up?